So we have a webhook, we have an instance of running workflow. Now we are ready to send information that the payment is confirmed into our workflow. To send something into the workflow, we use signal method. Open the workflow and add a new method confirm. It returns nothing. And we mark it with annotation signal method. Inside we change the flag. And in the controller we call this method. I don't want to hardcode workflow ID here. Instead, let's get it from HTTP request. Inject input manager. And then here replace this hard-coded ID with the value from the query string. In the workflow, let's return something, let's say string finished. I think we are ready to test the whole thing in action. We start Roadrunner, start the workflow, grab its ID, then let's call the webhook from the browser and provide this ID. The webhook was handled. Now let's see what we have in the console. And the workflow became finished.